So this is my Elite Turbo Roteo bicycle trainer, direct drive. I've had it for a couple of years, and according to my Strava and that, I've got less than 100 hours in on it, and it started to make, well, noises. So I wanted to take a look, and there seems to be a definite squeak associated with that bearing, which isn't all that big of a deal, annoying as it might be. But when I get it up to speed and I'm riding on it hard, that squeak starts to go away, and there's more of a thump, 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 thump noise that really gets loud. And I've taken it off the bike right now so that you can see it and hear it without the and it's that thump, thump, thump. Let's see if it sounds louder over here. That kind of comes through, and when you're cycling hard, that gets louder and louder. So I wanted to just take a look at it. Right now with everything off, and then I'll put the bike back on, and we'll take a listen to what it sounds like when everything's all hooked up. Okay, so we're back on the bike now, and that's and that is novel. It started in the last month or so, and starting to get pretty annoying, because it means I can't listen to a lot of things while I'm riding, and it's rather disturbing. So anyway, I hope there's some suggestions out there on how to fix that.